on the island of 100 volcanoes, near the enchanting and historical capital city of Taguig. A garden paradise stands as if rising from the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to the Gran Melia Salinas on the Canary island of Lanzarote. Renowned for comfort, elegance, and service, the Gran Melia Salinas is at once an uncompromising luxury resort and a vacation destination of superlative comfort. Every corner of this spectacular resort is meant to frame the inherent beauty of this unique isle, and every effort is made to ensure your stay here is nothing but spectacular.
Gran Melia Salinas is amazing. For the architect, is fantastic. Is something new. The buildings are very green, are very comfortable. Is great for us. It's fantastic.
Indulge yourself in the elegance your suite has to offer. Nearly every detail is meant to ensure your ability to rejuvenate and restore. From the thoughtful design to the many creature comforts available here, your vacation home will have you feeling at home. If exploring the beautiful grounds doesn't provide a sense of tranquility, perhaps the pools and gardens will. True relaxation awaits. Of course, to be hands-on about it, the Gran Melia Salinas offers the venues to melt your deepest tensions away. Relaxation need not be a solo sport. At Gran Melia Salinas, the opportunities to play and recreate are many. From the varied sport courts and the fitness center, to the bars and shopping, active vacationing is more than convenient. It's all right here.
We love the island because of the children, because we can do sports, surf, and we can go shopping. We like the houses, we like everything. It's wonderful.
Also here is some of the best dining on the Canaries. Never having to leave the resort to explore the leading culinary experiences on Lanzarote can be very welcome. From rustic fare to made-to-order flair, a variety of tastes, themes, and experiences await. And beyond the generous confines of the Gran Melia Salinas Resort is the exotic Isle of Lanzarote. With unique natural wonders, a historical and quaint capital city, and the many opportunities that Atlantean waters provide, your vacation to Lanzarote and the Gran Melia Salinas will leave you feeling enchanted. The Gran Melia Salinas, your home in the Canary Islands.
Welcome to the world of Sol Melia Vacation Club. I'm Gabriel Escarrer, Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Sol Melia Hotels and Resorts, an international hospitality company my father founded over 50 years ago. Today, we have more than 350 hotels in 30 different countries on 4 continents. We are proud to have Sol Melia Vacation Club as a part of our growing family, offering a unique member and vacation exchange experience featuring exotic destinations, designer-appointed suites, exclusive services, and unforgettable amenities. Whether it's exploring archaeological ruins in Mexico, enjoying virgin beaches in the Dominican Republic, walking through the historic streets of Old San Juan in Puerto Rico, or taking a cable car ride to the top of an inactive volcano in the Canary Islands, Spain, a customized international vacation awaits you with Sol Melia Vacation Club. We look forward to making Sol Melia Vacation Club your home anywhere in the world. Thank you, and please come visit us soon.